your Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Cloudy skies earlier today have given way to clear conditions for tonight, and with that, temperatures going to cool down even more. And keep in mind, a lot of the snow that was kind of at times covering the ground has kind of been pushed around by the wind. Even though it never warmed up enough, it actually dried out enough that some of that snow kind of essentially vaporized back into the air and leaves us clear and cold without a significant amount of snow cover on the ground, but just enough to have an impact. Sunny and chilly tomorrow, less wind tomorrow. That's a big deal. Make it feel different. Warming up through the course of the week, and then dry most of the week as well. We do have another front coming in on Wednesday, but that one looks to just bring us a little bit of cloud cover during the middle of the week. Manhattan, we are looking at mainly clear now in Topeka as well. Even the rooftops not covered as much, partially because some of that snow just blew right off of the rooftops of those gusty northerly winds. It's 22 with a wind chill of 7, but nearly as importantly is that dew point of 8. When the dew point is really low, the temperatures can drop really low as well, and we're only at 22, so it's not like we're warm to start the night, but we'll see temperatures falling even colder as we head into the later part of tonight, early tomorrow morning, likely some upper single digits. This morning we fell to 20. 37 was actually last night's high temperature at midnight when that colder air was still on the way in. We never saw that during the daytime, but even as cold as that number it was, 20 degrees below average, the actual daytime temperatures were even lower. Not a record, though. Record low is 8 on this date. 18 degrees at Blue Rapids, 19 at Hiawatha. It's already down to 19 at Burlington and 22 in Topeka. The wind chills more often, or I should say more widespread, single digits right now. 10 at Manhattan, but 4 at Burlington, 5 for Hiawatha and Marysville. Just a cold, cold day across the entire midsection of the country. All that warmth over the weekend has been very much pushed out of the picture. It is gone, and that cold blast of Arctic air that we've been talking about for days settled in, and it came in quickly, and because of that, it's still windy as those winds are taking a while to subside, still running about 15 to 20 miles per hour. The wind should let up, though. Later on tonight toward tomorrow morning becoming calm, and even during the daytime tomorrow, just 5 to 10. They start to turn out of the south, but not a strong breeze. Stronger breezes will likely move in as we head into Wednesday, and that'll help warm things up. But the future look at wind chill tonight into the morning, really struggling to get back into the teens for wind chills, and that is only if the temperatures can recover that quickly toward the morning hours tomorrow. And then with that light breeze in the day, even though temperatures will likely climb up into the 30s, wind chills will stay in the teens and 20s tomorrow, and then again for Wednesday morning. If you've got plans to be out on Wednesday, the morning starts off quite chilly, recovering as the day goes on. 30s and 40s for wind chills, but actual air temperatures should easily make it back into the 40s. But again, that's not till Wednesday afternoon. We're looking at a clear sky for tonight as that cloud cover, that snow pushing away to the south and east, leaving us mainly dry, not only for this evening, but into tonight, mainly clear. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine. It'll be a dry day. And then the cloud cover may roll back in on Wednesday, kind of scattered cloud cover, a possibility as our next front arrives in. Tonight, a low temperature around 9 degrees. North winds 5 to 15 early, but nearly calm late tonight. And then as we head into the day tomorrow, light wind starts to turn to the south with a high temperature of 32. Kind of an unusually cold stretch of weather for November as we look at highs in the low 30s tomorrow. 47 on Wednesday. With that cloud cover, Wednesday into early Thursday should cool us down just a little bit, 45. And then after that, starting to rebound temperatures into the middle to upper 50s by Friday and Saturday, and perhaps maybe a few rain showers, I should say, on Sunday with a high temperature around 53. And those cooler temperatures at night compared to where we are now, not really all that cool. Overnight lows into the lower 30s. Nice evening. You can see still a little bit of snow on the ground there at Bremen from Lynn Stowe's as the sun going down below the horizon under a mainly clear sky. You know when it's in the low 20s and upper teens as the sun's going down, it's going to be a cold night.
Yeah, well, it's hard to believe that it's so cold today when it was so nice on Saturday.
Yeah, it was nice even yesterday. It was 70s on Saturday, 60s yesterday, and then today, single-digit wind chills.
And here we are.
Yeah.